In this video we will trade the currency pair AUDNZD for the whole year 2019 with an algo trading system, which can be downloaded from the algorithmictradingsystem.com website. The current risk setting is 30. The entry signal is the indicator Bollinger Bands. We use an original MetaTrader 4 demo account, as you can create it with a few clicks in MetaTrader to compare it with your own results. So with which kind of currency pairs should I trade? From time to time this is one of the questions I get. Well, basically it depends on the conditions. First of all, your broker must offer a currency pair, and this varies from broker to broker. Some brokers only offer the major currency pairs, others have several dozen exotic forex pairs. The second thing is that you need to know if it is liquid enough. Liquidity is required to buy and sell if you want to do so. There are some currencies that do not have enough liquidity to find a buyer if you want to sell. The third thing is the spread. It can be very expensive, especially for exotic currency pairs. And last but not least, you need to choose those currency pairs where you can expect good results. In the past I have tried to find out why some currency pairs work better than others, but today I know that it doesn't really matter. I only take the ones that work and do not trade with the ones that do not work. You can run strategy tests and trade on a demo account for a few months to find out what works for you. You can download the free Algorithmic Trading System version below the video on our website algorithmictradingsystem.com. It will work with the original demo accounts of MetaTrader 4. If you are interested in learning more, or if you are interested in trading this system on a real account, make sure to become a starting member for only $1.